Welcome back to Future News. As always, an article linked to this astounding discovery can be found in the description below. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and alarming. The Arctic is getting warmer way faster than anywhere else on Earth. In fact, temperatures in the Arctic are rising at more than twice the global average rate. This is a big problem for the permafrost, which is ground that stays frozen all year round. Permafrost covers about 24% of the Northern Hemisphere's land area. Think of it like a giant freezer, holding tons of old frozen plants and animals. These remains have been trapped in ice for thousands of years. When the permafrost thaws, this stuff breaks down and releases gases like methane and carbon dioxide into the air. These gases are potent greenhouse gases. These gases make the Earth even warmer, which melts more permafrost and so on. It's a vicious cycle. This feedback loop is a major concern for climate scientists. This thawing also messes up the Arctic's environment and can damage buildings and roads. Infrastructure in these regions is at serious risk, so scientists are working hard to find solutions. And one idea is pretty wild, bringing back the woolly mammoth. The idea is that these animals could help restore the Arctic ecosystem by trampling down the snow and allowing cold air to penetrate the ground, keeping it frozen. Researchers are also exploring other methods, like using artificial means to refreeze the ground, or developing new technologies to monitor and manage permafrost regions. The goal is to slow down the thawing process and mitigate its impacts. Local communities are also getting involved, sharing their knowledge and experiences to help scientists understand the changes happening in their environment. It's a collaborative effort to tackle this pressing issue. While the challenges are immense, there's hope that with innovation, collaboration and determination, we can find ways to protect the Arctic and our planet. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more on this critical topic. A company called Colossal Biosciences is trying to bring back extinct animals. They've done something amazing. Their goal is to revive species that have long disappeared from our planet. They took skin cells from Asian elephants, the mammoth's closest living relatives, and turned them into something called iPSCs. These cells are incredibly versatile. These iPSCs are like blank building blocks that can become any kind of cell in the body. Imagine the possibilities. It was really hard to do this with elephant cells, but Colossal figured it out. The process required precision and innovation. They used a special chemical process that they adapted for elephants. This breakthrough could revolutionize conservation efforts. This is a huge step forward and could help save other endangered animals too. By applying this technology, we might be able to protect biodiversity and restore ecosystems. The implications of this work are vast. Not only could we see the return of species like the woolly mammoth, but we could also bolster populations of animals currently on the brink of extinction. Colossal Biosciences is paving the way for a new era in science and conservation. Colossal isn't just trying to make a mammoth. They're embarking on a groundbreaking journey to bring back a piece of the Ice Age. They want to create elephants with mammoth-like features, such as thick fur and a substantial layer of fat, so these majestic creatures can thrive in the frigid Arctic environment. Imagine elephants roaming the snowy plains, adapted to withstand the cold. Why is this important? Woolly mammoths were once the gardeners of the Arctic, playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem. They knocked down trees, creating vast grassy areas that reflected sunlight, which helped keep the permafrost frozen. This natural process was vital for the Arctic's health. If we can bring back animals like the woolly mammoth, they might help restore the Arctic's delicate balance, potentially slowing down the thawing of permafrost and combating climate change. This could be a significant step towards a healthier planet. Bringing back an extinct animal is exciting, but we have to be careful. We need to talk about what this means and if it's the right thing to do. Will these new mammoth-like elephants be happy in the Arctic? Will they cause problems for other animals and plants? Scientists need to study this carefully to make sure we don't accidentally make things worse. Bringing back the woolly mammoth is a big challenge, But climate change is a big problem, especially in the Arctic. We need to try new things. The things we learn from this project could help save other endangered animals all over the world. It's important to use science wisely and respectfully. The future of the Arctic, and maybe even the whole planet, might depend on it.